when you put it on, there's very little give to it. Turn the settings, you can actually see the sensor go in and out. This is as good as the Shador conical grinder that I had. It's my very first grinder. Just a little bit of body, slight sweetness at the end. Again, I just didn't expect it from a cheap little $9 hand grinder. It's actually designed pretty well. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
Cause I do.